This morning, Florida is approaching 20,000 cases of COVID-19 in the state. The virus is now in every county in Florida. Right now, just under 19,900 people have tested positive for COVID-19. More than 2,600 people are hospitalized and 461 people have died. Florida is among the top 3 states leading the nation in testing efforts, having tested more than 182,000 people.
The time is now 6:03, and as more test results start rolling in, the number of positive cases is expected to rise. So this Monday morning, we're taking a look at how people diagnosed with COVID-19 should in fact take care of themselves. 8 on your side's Deanne Roberts is live in Tampa. And Deanne, you spoke to doctors about this. What do they recommend?
Well, the biggest thing is don't forget about your health. Even though you may be in isolation, you still need to eat well-balanced meals. Doctors still recommend that you eat those lean proteins, fruits, and veggies. Don't forget to also stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and exercise if your body allows you to do so. Another big one, stay away from others and wear a mask. No one should come in contact with you, so limit yourself to one room and even one bathroom. Family members inside the house should only make contact through a door or technology and should constantly clean the house. The likelihood of transmitting the disease in the United States to a family member is unknown at this time, but doctors say it all comes down to exposure.
Transmission within a household, and some of this research was coming from China. There have been sort of a variability anywhere between 40 to 60%. It really comes down to also the dynamics of the household, how close people are in close proximity to each other, how large is the house.
Dr. Guzman also says anyone diagnosed with COVID-19 will receive a list of recommended care procedures from the CDC. Of course, he recommends following those procedures. And David, if anyone has any issues, he recommends calling your doctor.
Great advice as always, Deanne. Thank you. Time is now 6:05, and this Monday morning, a new center is opening up to help care for people sick with COVID-19. Lakeland Regional Health is opening the temporary respiratory care center for patients as young as 2 years old suffering from symptoms of the virus. This center is located at the Pablo Street campus and will open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and this is every single day, and you don't need an appointment to show up.
And as cases are still on the rise, so is the risk for first responders. One of the latest cases in the Bay Area is a Pasco County firefighter. Pasco Fire Rescue posted this video on Facebook after one of its firefighters tested positive. You can see here they are spraying sanitizer into the inside of an emergency vehicle, and first responders are there putting on their gloves. The department says it's bought more personal protective equipment and is changing how crews treat COVID-19 calls.
You're going to get asked a series of questions, and those are going to be based around the risk level that the individual may have with respect to COVID-19. So if certain criteria are met, that information is going to be passed along to our crews.
Pasco Fire Rescue sent the sick firefighter home after the first responder started showing symptoms on the job last week. 6 other employees who were in close contact with that person are home on paid leave waiting for their test results.
Happening today, it's almost graduation season, and Polk County school officials are determined to have some sort of a ceremony for their seniors. The school district is meeting through a video conference call later today to talk about the options. Some of those include a virtual ceremony, a drive-through graduation, or simply postponing ceremonies until a later time. Schools statewide are shut down, as we all know, until at least May 1st, and it's not known if it will be safe to hold a traditional graduation at this time. 8 on your side is following this situation. We're going to let you know what they decide during this morning's conference. Here's something good for you this Monday. Some kind-hearted people in Tampa made sure no one was forgotten on Easter Sunday. Local entrepreneur Pamela McCoy teamed up with Catholic Charities in the city of Tampa to bring meals to the homeless. It wasn't just breakfast. There was also a pop-up coffee shop courtesy of Yellow Rooster Coffee Imports.
Our passion is humanity before anything else, and then our way to show our love and compassion to people is through our coffee.
We're here just to motivate people to serve with grace and love and to come as a community and as a one family and just have fun.
The folks at Yellow Rooster have been serving coffee every day to the homeless for more than a week now.
And the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office wants the next 30 days to be something good for the community. That's why every day it's donating $1,000 to a different nonprofit in need.
I'm hoping that not only will we lend that helping hand and help someone in need, that it encourages someone else who has the means to help to step up and help as well.
So the selected nonprofit will be announced at 10 o'clock every morning on the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office social media accounts. The organizations receiving money are ones the Sheriff's Office believes are critical to our community. All the money raised for this came from HCSO charity events and individual donations from employees. Hats off to them. This is amazing.